Hey, I'm Ed. Today I'm going to show you how to check the dispenser lever in a refrigerator that's not dispensing ice. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today, we'll just need a Phillips screwdriver. And please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your refrigerator by unplugging it or switching the breaker off, as well as turning off its water supply before doing any work on it. The lever activates the dispenser ice switch and opens the ice door. We're going to need to open the dispenser assembly so we can access the lever. First, we need to remove the dispenser tray from the dispenser assembly. There will be 3 screws under the tray on the front that need to be removed. Once you have the screws removed, you can lift the dispenser cover off. You'll need to remove the 3 screws holding the dispenser housing in place and slide it out. Then disconnect the ribbon cable for the switchboard. Once it's out, disconnect the wire harness for the freezer door. Then remove the 6 Phillips head screws holding the control board in place. Once it's loose, reach behind the housing and disconnect the water supply line. Then disconnect the brown wire and the gray wire from the dispenser switch. You might need to use a pair of pliers to disconnect them. Now flip the housing over and disconnect the 2 wires connecting the control board. Now that the housing is out of the way, you're going to check to see if the lever is broken. You'll have to just look over this part, so you don't need any tools. Check the lever to make sure it's not broken in any way. If you find any damage to the lever, then you'll need to replace it. If you have a bad dispenser lever, swap it out for a new one from AppliancePartsPros.com. Then we can start reinstalling the dispenser assembly. Plug the white and black wires from the control board back into the light socket and the orange, gray, brown, and tan wires back into the switches. Then take the dispenser housing and reinsert the water line into the water dispenser hole. After that, reconnect the freezer door wire harness to the back of the control board. Install the 3 screws to secure the housing, followed by the 6 screws holding the control board. Now we can reconnect the wiring from the switchboard back into the control board and put the dispenser cover back in place. Install the screws that hold the panel in place. Finally, slide the drip tray back in. Don't forget to plug your fridge back in or flip the circuit breaker back on, as well as turning the water back on. You made it! Great job! If you need a new dispenser lever, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to place an order. Your new part should arrive in just a few days. And if your dispenser lever was good, check out our other troubleshooting guides to find out what's preventing your fridge from dispensing ice. If you thought this video was helpful and want to see more like it, hit those like and subscribe buttons. We appreciate you watching and look forward to helping you with all your appliance repair needs. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.